Welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how I make my green tea sugar scrub. You can use this for both your face and your body. It's gentle and it's going to do a great job of exfoliating your skin to remove all that dead skin cells. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this scrub. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have a bunch of other helpful DIYs, so please check those out. I'm getting started with my green tea powder. All the measurements will be in the description box, so check that out. And I'm going to start off by weighing out my butter, my waxes. This is going to be an emulsified sugar scrub, so basically it's going to keep your sugar and oils from separating when you use it in the shower. So that's how I like to make my scrub. So I'm adding in my emulsifying wax, and then I'm just going to heat this up until the butter and the waxes have completely melted. I'm going to add in some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is very lightweight. It helps to moisturize dull, dehydrated skin, and is also going to help even out your skin tone. It's rich in so many omega fatty acids as well. So now that I've added in my grapeseed oil, I'm going to cool this down in the fridge till it's semi-solid. After taking it out of the fridge, this is what my consistency looked like. You don't want your mixture too hard, so I'm going to use my whisk, and I'm just going to mix this up for about 30 seconds to a minute, just to have it well mixed, and just until I have a slightly fluffy consistency. And I'm going to add in my blend of vitamin E oil, my fragrance oil, and also my preservative. I'm using Optifen, and I'm just going to mix everything until it's well combined. And this is what my consistency is looking like. You don't need anything too thick. I'm going to add in my additives, and I'm starting out with my green tea powder. The green tea is going to help clear out clogged pores, and is also going to help exfoliate your skin gently. And to this, I'm adding in some yogurt powder. This is optional, but yogurt powder is going to help soothe and soften your skin as well. So this is what my consistency is looking like. It's just a light creamy texture, and I'm going to start adding in my additives, starting off with my brown sugar. Brown sugar is going to be our exfoliant. It's a natural humectant, so it's really going to hydrate your skin. You can use any other sugar of your choice, but brown sugar is very gentle to be used on your face and your body. And a quick reminder, I just added another online skincare class. This is going to be a 4-hour hands-on live demonstration class. The information is going to be in the description box if you want to check that out as well. And this is what my consistency is starting to look like. The final consistency really depends on you. It depends on how exfoliating you want your scrub to be. Of course, you don't want it too rough on your skin, especially if you want to use this on your face, because your skin on your face is delicate, so you don't want to make a very harsh, rough scrub. So this is what I have. I like the consistency, and of course it felt amazing on the skin. So I'm going to go on and package this up. And our green tea face and body scrub is ready. For your body, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week, and for your face, you can use once a week. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments. if you have any questions. But this is so good for your skin. Green tea has so many amazing benefits, and of course with all the extra ingredients, your skin is going to feel so moisturized. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And of course, please like this video because that really helps me out. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, be well and take care. Bye bye.